and welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Rachel Anna, and today I'm gonna do another what I eat in the day as a vegan. So we're going vlog style. I'm gonna take you through my day, show you what I get up to, what I'm eating, and hopefully you guys enjoy this video, enjoy the recipes and the food that I'm about to devour. So first things first, I am off to my Muay Thai training. It's too early to eat. I didn't wake up early enough for my body to digest the food. So we're gonna train first, and then I'm gonna come back, and then I'm gonna make some breakfast. Let's go train. Get those feeding gains.
Yeah.
Shabba just annihilated me. It's so hot in London at the minute. Training in this heat is so hard, but I guess it's more like it will help me get better. Anyway, I really love doing Muay Thai. I love the kind of training. There's so much more for me to learn, but it is so hard. But let's make some breakfast. So I'm gonna make myself presentable, get ready for my day, have a shower, and then I'm gonna make some breakfast. I feel like I'm gonna be making some vegan pancakes. That's what my body is telling me, so that's probably what I'm gonna make.
I'm back, dressed and ready for breakfast. So yeah, I want to make these pancakes. I've made these before. They're just 3 ingredient pancakes using just oats, plant-based milk, and a bit of banana, and it makes really simple, easy oat pancakes. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to whip up my oats to make like an oat flour. We got the oat flour. Now let's make the pancakes. So I'm going to use about 1/3 of a cup of the oat flour, roughly 1/3, which I can always change. Then I'm going to use a cup of plant-based milk. This is homemade almond milk. Then I've got half a banana. And then I'm just going to mix it together. I always find that using homemade almond milk is different to store-bought almond milk when I make pancakes and waffles, so I will put the exact measurements down below in the description, but it can vary depending on the milk and the oats. Gonna add a bit more flour. So I'm thinking to put some frozen berries on top of the pancake, so I'm gonna heat up some frozen berries, throw in some chia seeds and maybe a bit of maple syrup, and that'll be like my pancake topping. Quick switcheroo. You do want them to be quite thick, if that makes sense. That's how they kind of stay together. If they're too runny, they won't kind of stay together, if that makes sense.
Once they start getting all the holes is when you want to think about switching them to the other side.
Oh, perfect. See that? Yes, honey, yes.
You love me, it's special, different, every. You love me.
La 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 la. Get it, get it. It's basically just another way to have porridge, because this is the stuff that I would put in porridge, but I'm making pancakes instead. Lovely, lovely. I'm working on improving my website, which means the food that I make, I will have the written recipes listed for you guys, because I know I haven't been very good at that lately. As soon as my website is sorted, it will have the exact measurements so you can follow my recipes a lot easier. It's coming. La la la. I'll be back at lunchtime.
Sing it, sing it. Hey, hey. Am I ever gonna finish washing up? Who knows?
In the midst of a celebration of life, death, and the struggles of happiness. Check it out. Let me hear it. Whoa, yeah, whoa, yeah, whoa, yeah, whoa, yeah.
So it's taken a while, but the cherry tomatoes are finally starting to grow through. I cannot wait to try them. I really hope they're nice and sweet and juicy.
So for lunch, I think I'm gonna keep it quite simple. It's so hot, my appetite isn't too high, so I'm just gonna grill up some vegetables that I've got in the fridge, probably add some tomatoes, avocado, keep it simple and light because it is hot and I don't want anything too heavy right now. So let's grill up some aubergines, aka eggplant, and courgettes, aka, what do you call them in America? You don't call them courgettes, you call them, oh, it's just gone from my brain. You guys, you know. So I'm just gonna slice them up so I can put them on the grill. So I'm just gonna sprinkle on some salt and some pepper. You can also add some garlic salt, rub some garlic on there, and then I'm gonna add olive oil right at the end when it's all cooked. It's browning. So I'm just gonna make a little salad bowl to go with it. So I'm just gonna add my grilled vegetables as well as my cucumbers and some cherry tomatoes and avocado. Also adding some hummus. Got some pita bread, lots and lots of lemon juice, and then I'm gonna sprinkle some fresh parsley on the top. Add a bit of pepper, add a bit of salt. Then I'm gonna add some pumpkin seeds just to finish. And voila! Quick and light lunch. Do not underestimate the power of grilled aubergines. The texture is so nice. What does she do? I do everything. Veganism doesn't always have to be complicated. It can be this simple and this tasty. Oh, it's so tasty. Honestly, guys, I'm sorry. This is the simple things in life. The simple things that vegetables can do. I'm gonna go eat this and then I'll be back. I'll be back. It's dinner time. I've been making lots of pestos lately, if you haven't noticed. And the other day I made a sun-dried tomato pesto and it was so bomb. If you have me on Instagram, you would have seen that I put it in with some quinoa and it was just so good that I had to make again. For my dinner today, I'm gonna make the sun-dried tomato. Why is that such a tongue twister for me? I'm gonna make the sun-dried tomato pesto and I'm gonna have it with pasta, keeping it classic. Let's make this sun-dried tomato pesto. So I've got most of the ingredients. I've got my sun-dried tomatoes, I've got some cashews, which are in some hot water to soak them down a bit. I've got my basil, fresh basil. I've got some almonds and I'm just gonna toast those. And then I'm gonna add some balsamic vinegar. What else am I gonna add? I'm gonna add some nutritional yeast, garlic. K-Mass. Good to go. Let's do it. So I'm gonna toast these almonds. And you just gotta keep your eye on it. You really don't want them to burn. You gotta keep an eye on it. Literally takes a couple minutes. I should just have 2 cameras. I wish I had a cameraman or woman, to be fair. That would make this so much easier for me. So I just want to blend up these almonds and turn them into little pieces. So basically my Vitamix is not good at making pestos. It just gets stuck on the outside and it doesn't blend. So I'm going to be using a different tool. I always really recommend roasting the garlic before, but I'm kind of rushing this and I just want to eat. So today we're just gonna... But it always tastes nicer if you roast the garlic. And then I've got all my sun-dried tomatoes. If yours are really hard, just put them in some warm water and it will loosen them up. I need a lead where I can film and ta-da! Need a cameraman, camera woman for some help. So I'm gonna add cashews. Then I'm gonna add my almonds, nutritional yeast, and some olive oil. This is my favorite olive oil at the moment. I love it. some pasta to go with it. So I'm just gonna add the pesto to the tagliatelle and mix it up. So I'm just gonna top with some fresh parsley as well as some black pepper, and then I'm just gonna add a bit more olive oil. Oh, it's so nice. I do apologize to any Italians out there if I did let you down. This is just something I like to make, which tastes amazing, and I freaking love. I don't eat pasta that often, so when I have it, it's just like, oh my goodness. Plus, it's just delicious anyway. The sun-dried tomatoes add that saltiness, the nuts add that nutty flavor. You've got the nutritional yeast doing that kind of cheese replacement thing. You've got the cashews making it a tiny bit creamy. You've got the basil, you've got the really nice olive oil, and then you've got your al dente tagliatelle. So I'm happy.
Thank you guys for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me and the recipes and the food that I made. Please give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it and you did enjoy the recipes. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because there will be new videos every week. I will see you guys all next week. Don't forget to thumbs up, please, because every thumbs up really helps me out. So if you did like it, please do give it a thumbs up if you did like it. Sorry, one more thing. I was thinking about getting Josh and Mike back to do like a mukbang, sorry if I say it wrong because I'm not quite sure how you say it, on my YouTube channel. What do you guys think? Because I will sort it out if you guys want to see it. Okay, bye.